Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Target Registry? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. In this video, I'll be talking about what Target Registry exactly is and how you can go ahead and use it. So first things first, what we can do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for Target. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you've done that, simply on the top right hand, there's going to be a registry and wishlist tab. Simply go ahead and tap on that. Now, as you can see, these are a couple of registries that you can go ahead and create. So there is going to be a create a baby registry, create a wedding registry, and many more, right? So for example, what a registry is that it's going to be a curated collection where you can simply go ahead and track your gifts, get access to deals, and so much more. So for example, let's say if I want to go ahead and create a baby registry, I can simply go ahead and click on create a baby registry and click on it one more time, and also click on save and continue, and go ahead and enter all these details. Now what baby registry is going to do is, once created, you can simply go ahead and add a couple of products onto the registry, and people can simply go ahead and purchase it by going ahead and searching for your name over here. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.